Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to off changing lock screen wallpaper on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So if your iPhone lock screen wallpaper change each time you press the side button or each time you unlock the phone, then this video is going to show you how you can easily stop this. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off changing lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper. Then go ahead and select from all other wallpapers you have here and set as current. Then this is going to replace your changing wallpaper on your iPhone. You see that? So your iPhone wallpaper will no longer change. Alternatively, if you do not have any wallpaper on the wallpaper page, just click on add new wallpaper. And then you can just select single photo and set the photo as your wallpaper. Or better still, just go ahead and select your choice of color as your wallpaper. And then click on add at top right. Click on set as wallpaper pair. And then you should see the wallpaper set, and this is going to remove the changing wallpaper on your iPhone, and then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.